Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at a women's exclusive. This is the Jordan 1 Low, and it's in the black and university blue colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about a woman's exclusive. This time it is in a great combination color scheme of black and university blue. So we'll start off with the overview. Then we'll talk about size and fit, followed by how I style this color scheme, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it, starting with the front portion of the toe box. We've got white leather, and on the front we have black leather. As we work our way through the upper, you'll notice that this has black laces, and in between those laces, kind of hidden under the black, we do have Michael's number 23 in that university blue colorway, and it's nicely embroidered. As we work our way up the tongue, we do have a white nylon tongue, and then embroidered on the top here is that Jumpman logo in the university blue colorway. Let's take a look at those details, and then let's work our way to the side panels. All right, working our way to the side panels, we've got crisp white leather underlays and a just simplistic pop of blue for that university blue color scheme on the swoosh mark. Working our way back, we do have that embroidered Air Jordan, and it's the Wings logo in that university blue color scheme, which pops quite nicely off of that black leather. Working our way back, we have smooth leather for that university blue swoosh mark, and again, underlays of the white leather and overlays of the black leather. Working our way to the inside of the sneaker, we do have a black and university blue insole for the Jumpman logo, and then we have black for the interior on that collar portion of the sneaker. As we work our way down to the bottom, we have a simplistic white base for the midsole, and then a black color scheme for the outsole, and that will complete the sneaker. Let's take a look at those details. All right, talking about size and fit. Again, this was a women's exclusive, so this only came in women's sizing. I am a true women's size 9, and I would say stick true to size on this one. So if you do have higher to narrow feet like myself, definitely stick to this sizing. If you do have flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate the size that works best for you. All right, now let's talk about how I styled these. Really cool combination. I do love a university blue, and I love that it was very simplistic with the black and white color scheme. So I definitely wanted to bring some blue hues into that first look. So for the first look, I wore an up-strapped button-down silk blouse, and that had some nice Carolina blues in it. I tucked that into some leather shorts, and I layered that with a leather trench coat just to bring some more leather textures, which I saw in the sneaker. I wanted to also bring that out in that first look. Look, I switched it up a little bit and I wore a black cropped tank top with some black linen pants. Definitely getting into the warmer season, so wanted to give you another option that is meant for warmer weather. For the last and final look, I decided to wear a black vest with some black pants just to kind of dress it up a little bit. I definitely think that these are a fun shoe to dress up or down, or even just to keep super casual. Let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these? All right, now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $100 and they are currently going in between $150 to $200. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new to the channel, thanks so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa. We'll catch you all next episode.